Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Clean and dry the skin so the lotion absorbs. Shake the bottle, then dispense about 0.5 to 1, 0 gram, a pea-sized amount onto your palm. Warm the lotion between your hands for 5-7 seconds so it spreads smoothly. Then, starting at the center of the treatment area, apply with light, circular strokes. This promotes absorption and reduces friction. Once done, avoid immediate covering with tight clothing so the product can settle. Once the first layer is in, continue by using upward, circular motions to encourage deeper penetration without irritating the skin. If you need more coverage, wait 60 to 90 seconds and add a thin second layer. Layering slowly prevents ointment buildup. Make sure to treat creases, joints, and edges near hairlines where product often beads up. You should feel a light, even film. If it feels tacky, you've used too much. So gently blot excess with a tissue and reassess. To finish, give the lotion 3 to 5 minutes to absorb before putting on clothes. That prevents transfer and keeps active ingredients working. Store the bottle at room temperature, away from direct sunlight and heat sources, so consistency remains stable. If you notice redness, burning, or swelling, stop using it immediately. Rinse gently with cool water and do not reapply. If symptoms persist or worsen, consult a professional. This single troubleshooting step usually resolves minor reactions quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.